Good morning, children. This is Jyoti Mahara, and I am back again with the same chapter 2, body parts. Children, in our previous video, we have discussed about names of body parts, but today, in this video, we will discuss about functions of body parts. Okay, so let's start. The human body is made of several parts. All the parts of our body are equally important and have a different role to play. Then there are various functions of each body parts. Let's have a look on the various functions of body parts. Leg. Children, we use our legs to stand, walk, skip, run, kick, etc. Hands. We use our hands to hold things, write, draw, brush, eat food, cut, etc. Then eyes. We use our eyes to see things around us, read, watch television, etc. Ears. We use our ears to hear sounds, listen music, etc. Tongue. We use our tongue to taste food, to skin. We use our skin to feel things that are hot, cold, soft and hard. Nose. Children, we use our nose to enjoy a sweet smell and to detect a foul smell. Okay, children? To make it more clear, we will look at the pictures and discuss various functions of each body parts. Children, we use our legs to stand, to walk, to skip, to quick and to run. So look at the picture to make it more clear. Now we will discuss about functions of hands. Children, we use our hands to hold things. As you can see in the picture, boy, he is holding basket full of fruits. So what this boy is holding? He is holding basket full of fruits. Now we use our hands to write. You can see in the picture, girl, she is writing. We use our hands to draw. Boy, he is drawing something. To brush and to cut. Now we will discuss about eyes. Children, we use our eyes to see things around us, to read books and to watch television. As you can see in the picture, girl, she is watching television. Boy, what he is doing? He is reading. So we use our eyes to see things, to read and to watch. Now we will discuss about functions of ears. Children, we use our ears to hear sounds, to listen music and to answer a phone call. Now we will discuss about functions of tongue. Children, we use our tongue to taste food. Food can be sweet, food can be bitter, food can be sour and food can be salty. So, children, we use our tongue to taste food. Okay. Now we will discuss functions of skin. Children, we use our skin to hold things. How we use our skin? We use our skin to feel things that are hot, feel things that are cold, feel things that are hard and feel things that are soft. Now we will discuss about functions of nose. Children, we use our nose to enjoy sweet smell and to detect a foul smell. So children, let's have a look again at what we have discussed in this chapter. Children, we have discussed about functions of body parts. Hope you have understood all the functions of body parts. That's all for the class today. Have a good day. Bye children. Take care.